Hello, Mission CISD administrators. This is your district instructional technologist, Armando Sierra, and I want to go ahead and review how to approve workshop credit requests in Eduphoria. This is anytime an educator leaves the district and attends a Region 1 workshop, they should be coming back and adding their completed certificate to workshop. And this is how you will approve those. You're going to go ahead and click on Strive. And once you click on Strive, you're going to go ahead and click on Credits for Approval on the left-hand side. Once that loads, you will be clicking on Credit Item Requests. And then you'll see a list of all submissions that your teachers have given you. Usually the only submissions you will see are people that you actually appraise. So you will click on one of the requests, and then you will review it, check for the start and end date, check for how many credits they are requesting, and if there are any other documents or attachments, those will be located in this area as well. Review those, and if you want to approve, go ahead and click on Approve. If you would like to deny, go ahead and click on Deny. If you should have any other questions, please make sure to reach out to me, Armando Sierra, and I can go ahead and help you all out as soon as possible. Thank you.